Today we'll download a free software called LibreOffice together with its extension LOX365, so we can use Microsoft 365 Excel functions like to call for building our accounting system as we need to arrange the GL accounts. First of all, search the LibreOffice official website, go to download and find the one that says stable portable version that we are going to install. I download the portable version because I want to use it on my USB key. Feel free to use whatever version that you prefer. Usually it will go to your default download folder. So I usually copy and paste it to my LibreOffice folder, double click this installer, and it will pop up and ask you for the interface language. Simply pick the language you want, then they will prompt you the installation drive location. Select yours and press Next to proceed. Once it's done, press Finish and go back. Then you can get rid of the installer download before. To run the Excel of the LibreOffice, go to the folder where you install LibreOffice and double-click the LibreOffice Calc icon. Here you can see what LibreOffice can do. Pretend that you've already done something with it. Go to File, Save As. Give the file a name. And you can save as an Excel file format. Okay, let's create a shortcut to open LibreOffice Calc. Put the shortcut icon to desktop or wherever you want. Now opening LibreOffice Calc is just one click away. And assume that we can run it without any problem. So let's move on to download the LOX365 extension. Here's the GitHub link. When you scroll down, you'll see Excel functions like to call. Follow along to find out how to install it. Click this one, Release. Download this OXT file. Spot it in your default download folder and copy it to your LibreOffice folder. Start LibreOffice Calc, go to Tool and then Extension. Hit Add and look for your OXT file. Then hit Open. And here I just pick all users. Then clear, restart Office Calc to activate the setup. Now we are back. Let's load up the Excel file we previously saved. Then you can try it out to see if the to call and the other Microsoft 365 functions work. Here I just simulate rearranging the GL accounts with the to call function. Since the dynamic array feature in Excel 365 doesn't work in LibreOffice, whenever we use array functions like this one to call, we need to hit Ctrl-Shift-Enter. It works. Now you see the GL accounts are stacked vertically. Okay, one more thing. If you want to delete array formula, you need to first highlight the involved data, then press delete. Okay, that's it for today.